Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve a 6x6. So let's move on to the intro. Okay, so have you seen my previous video? Check out the link in the description and there will be an iCard into the right of the screen. In that video I have used a new intro and outro. So please check out that and comment on which is nice, our old intro or our new intro. Okay, so first of all, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it, like, share, comment. So first let's scramble the cube. Okay, now I have scrambled the cube. The first step is to solve the white center. For that you have to make bars. Okay, so here's 3 bars made. You have to attach the fourth one, which is this piece. So flip it, bring it to the over and attach it. So the next step is to attach this piece to the top layer, and now find a corner piece which is underneath the white and attach it. You have to attach it to this side like this. By making this, you have solved almost each and every single piece in the cube. And now move this place to the top of here, move it here and bring it back down. And now the cube needs to be solved with the 2 pieces which is underneath at the where the yellow should be. Move it in the top layer, move it into the next layer and bring it down. So this is the part where it gets a little bit tricky. You have to solve this piece but without damaging these 2 pieces. So this trick works for each and every single cube, to counting from 5 by 5 to counting from 19 by 19. Okay, so now move this piece down here, move it into a different layer, move this piece down and bring it back to its original position. And now you have naturally moved this piece, which is right here, into here. So the last corner piece is here. You have to do a D1, move here like we did it in our 5 by 5 tutorial video. So we have eventually solved our first center. So moving on to our second center, I found an yellow bar here which I am going to attach right into here. And now here is a bar which I can attach it using an U2 and attach it here. And now this corner piece should come here by moving an U2. And this edge piece should come to here using a simple U and solve this piece too. Okay, now this piece needs to go to here, but before do an F prime and attach it. Now you have solved almost each and every single piece on the yellow side. Now the last piece needs to be solved here, but I told the trick to solve it. This is the trick to solve it. You can solve each and every single piece on the cube. Remember the color scheme? The color scheme should come here on the screen. If you have forgotten it, white is opposite to yellow. To the left of the blue there should be orange, and to the right there should be red, and on the back it should be green, and the front should be blue. So this is how the color scheme works. Now I am going to solve the blue. Sometimes you may get situations like I get, but don't worry, you can solve by doing just random moves. Now, Okay, now I think that you have enjoyed the time lapse. So let's move on to edge pairing. So edge pairing, it's not that tough. You need to learn one simple algorithm which swaps this sticker. For example, I'll show you. Okay, now I have to get this piece to here. For that, I will do and wide U, R, U, R prime, F. Wait a minute. Okay, now I have to get this piece here. For that, I move on. First do one U wide, then R, U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R, and undo the setup, and I end up solving this. So you can set up this and just do like the normal free slice edge pairing and flip this edge and solve it like that. What is free slice edge pairing? You may get that question, which is if I replace a edge here, but when I solve it, the edge should also be solved. That is what all about free slice edge pairing. So as I told you before, you need to set up this with this opposite color by using that flipping algorithm and then solve it. So you can do by that. Okay, if you have a situation like this, which is the last edge is flipped, you get it on a 5x5, the 5x5 parity algorithm or the OLL parity doesn't work here. So you have to learn an algorithm which is same to the wide RU at the 4x4 OLL parity. So it goes like this. You can see the algorithm on the screen. Okay, that's how the parity algorithm works. Okay, now you can solve it like a normal 3x3 until you get an OLL parity. Okay, now I have OLL parity which can be solved with the same algorithm by using the 4x4 OLL parity, but except the U, you should do a triple layer or triple layer. So the algorithm goes like this, and the algorithm is on the screen. Okay, and now lastly, we're most likely to get a PL parity. Okay, now this is a PL parity. So you first do an permutation, which is usually you do, and you get opposite center swap or adjacent center swap. Both of that uses the same algorithm, which you can see it on the screen. Triple layer R2, F2, U2, triple layer R2, R2, U2, F2, triple layer R2. And that solves the cube. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye.